The coronavirus vaccine is on the Central Coast. A shipment of the Pfizer vaccine arrived at Marion Regional Medical Center today. KSBY News reporter Gina Avalos is there live with the details. Gina?
More than 100 healthcare workers were vaccinated at 3 different Dignity Health locations, one being Marion Regional Medical Center here in Santa Maria. Healthcare workers tell me they were anxiously waiting for this vaccine for a while now.
We've been waiting a long time for it to come, and I encourage everyone to take the vaccine because we got to stop this pandemic some kind of way.
Faye Robinson, one of the first healthcare workers at Marion Regional Medical Center and who spends most of her day in the emergency room, says she's glad she was finally able to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. More than 100 Dignity Health frontline workers were able to get vaccinated Thursday, including Medical Director of Infectious Disease, Dr. Jay Ritter.
Physically, it doesn't feel like anything, but emotionally, it's amazing. It's important. I mean, this has been I've ate, drink, and sleep COVID for the past 9 or 10 months, and this is hopefully a turning point.
According to health officials, the people who got the first vaccine were healthcare workers who were most at risk and treat COVID patients on a daily basis. But they had to strategize.
For example, we know that the emergency department and the critical care units are extraordinarily important, but we don't want to vaccinate the entire emergency room on day one in case people are not feeling as well as they would expect to feel the next day.
Robertson adds people who have had COVID within the last 90 days are encouraged not to get the vaccine, and also says even if you take the vaccine, to continue following COVID-19 safety guidelines.
And so it's certainly possible that even if you're immunized, you could still contract COVID-19. And so it's important to understand that, and until the community prevalence is such that we can lower these types of actions that we're taking, we still need to be mindful.
Health officials tell me the vaccine was not mandatory for those who didn't want to take it, but add several hundred more healthcare workers will be vaccinated into the next week. For now, live in Santa Maria, Gina Avalos, KSBY News.
Gina, thank you. The Pfizer vaccine could be given out in San Luis Obispo County as soon as tomorrow. And if approved, the Moderna vaccine may arrive to Marion Medical Center as soon as next week.